The bright morning sun is shining inside my bedroom. I must get out of my bed very quickly now. The school bus will arrive at our house soon. This long bedroom corridor is very dark this morning. I need to look outside for the big bus. I want to find my beautiful clean school uniform. Where is my small pink shirt for school today?
I am already wearing my favorite school clothes today.
Ha ha ha! The big morning race is making me feel rushed. It is too dark to see things clearly here. I will just look for any clean blue fabric. There is some folded blue clothes on the chair. The time pressure is getting worse every single minute. I am reaching my hands out into the dark. I can grab this soft blue clothes right now. This shirt will look completely perfect for school today. I do not have time to look closely now. I am ready to put this blue uniform on. Why does this blue fabric feel so heavy today? This uniform feels very long on my small body. I am walking downstairs to the bright kitchen area.
Good morning, everyone. The sun is shining and breakfast is served. Fresh milk and cereal, just the way you like it. Come and get it.
Why are you wearing my giant casual shirt today?
You look like a big floating fabric cloud, Maya. My small hands are completely hidden inside these sleeves. Let me check my reflection in the big mirror. I see that I grabbed the wrong uniform shirt.
I have your correct small pink shirt right here.
You made a big size switch in the dark. Check properly in the mornings.
I will run back upstairs to change my clothes. Now I am wearing my correct clean pink uniform. Your proper school uniform looks very nice now, sister.
You look completely ready for your school classes today.
Everything is perfectly fine, and order is fully restored. We must always double-check our clothes in the morning. Double-check your clothing items in the morning to dress correctly. I must get my yellow backpack for school right now. The morning race is very fast, so I will hurry. We have very little time left for the school bus.
The yellow school bus is waiting outside the front gate.
Ha! I am completely ready to run to the big bus. Ha! Please look at your school bag because it looks open. I do not have time to check my bag now.
The loud bus horn means we must run very fast.
This morning race is creating a very big problem today. I will win this fast race to the front gate. I am running very fast down the stone path now. Almost there. I hope I don't lose anything. Nothing can stop me from catching the yellow school bus.
Oh no! Your school items are starting to slide out.
I am almost at the front gate layout very soon.
My yellow school backpack feels a little bit lighter now.
Stop running because all your school items are dropping out.
Why can I hear a strange clattering sound behind me?
Let me turn around to see what is happening here. No, it's all here. Every last one. My notebooks and colored pencils are all over the ground. Look, because you forgot to close the silver zipper sliders completely. I see that skipping the bag zipper check was very wrong.
I am running fast to help you gather your school things.
Let us gather all these scattered pencils from the stone pavement.
We found all your clean school notebooks on the grass garden.
All my school supplies are safely back inside my yellow backpack.
I am closing these silver metal zipper sliders very tightly now.
Now the yellow school bag is perfectly safe and very secure. Your backpack is tightly closed so we can continue our race.
Well, good morning. We are perfectly on time. Come on in.
You must always zip your school bag tightly before running outside.
I understand that open zippers cause us to lose our items. Checking your backpack tracks helps prevent a very big mess later. I am walking safely onto the yellow bus, step by step now. Zip your school bag tightly before running to prevent losing your items.